Hello guys, let's just do some simple design practice. The barrel. It's very simple, but it's an exercise. So let's dive in. First of all, let's choose the front plane. Let's choose a top plane. Okay, press N, press R so that I can have this. Okay, so first of all, this is this, and okay, this is 2080. Okay, now let's add some depth, solid, new in here, and let's say 380. After that, let's add some fillet. Let's just make it simple. So a fillet of 20 to all of the face. That would be fine. That's all. No need to select this one. Next, where is the top? So here, let's sketch something. And how can we do it? Okay, let's just create a line in here. Something like this would be fine. And let's add some dimension in here. Let's say 120, something like that. Then let's create a slot. Slot will be with the offset, just under the offset tool. Okay, so create a slot and adjust this one to be about 140. Something like this would be fine. Let me adjust this, maybe 120. Now that's fine. Okay, let's just stick this with this one so that everything is fully constrained. Oh, what happened? This and this will be I. Okay, now let's just solid remove sketch 25. Okay, let's say 30. After that, let's use again fillet. Let's fillet this one, and we get all the tangent fillet in here. So let's choose 30. Okay. I think I wanna reduce this, something like this, and let's reduce this a bit, something like that. See, because I wanna add some fillet. Let's try 30 first, 15 first in here. That would be fine. Okay. After that, let's add something like this, 52. Okay, make sure that this one and this one is vertical, it seems, and make sure, let's just add some dimension in here, let's say 40. Okay, I think what we need to do is just to create some tangent between this, and that's all. And let's use this, and 25. Okay. One thing. Okay, let's say 30, but I want to draft this a bit. No, just one. And let me increase this a bit. Let's say 54, something like this. Okay, and after that, what else? Let's just choose right plane, N, and let's change a bit of view. Let's say translucent, C, and press L, and something like this. Okay, and press D. This is about let's say 180 to see. No, that's too how to say that? Let's say 160, and make sure that this and this will coincide. And let's add some angle in here, 120 to be fine, and make sure to coincide this with this line. Okay, and let's get back to our view in here. So let's use this, no, fin, and now use all the sketch in here, and okay, let's get back in edit, and let's make this a bit down. That would be fine. And back here, fin, and sketch this one and make it symmetric and put it down, something like this, and choose, and then remember this fillet, I guess it's 15, no, 10. See, and let's add some fillet of 5 to everything, not this one but this one. C3 doesn't work. Why? What if I didn't say tangent? Okay, let's get back in. Okay, 5. Oh, can I catch? Oh, let's change the view, translucent, I don't know, here we go. Back to shaded view, and let's choose 3. That's all. Where it is, I need this. And that's all. Why not? Oh, this is very sure fan. See, this is very sure. But don't worry, it will work. It will work with your 3. Okay. See, here is our Barrel. Okay, let's just add something in here. And let's just add 2 slot here, and well again here. Oh, here, here, slot. Okay, not 80. Okay, and okay, okay. Here, solid, remove. Use this is 20. Okay, and let's just add some fillet again, like before. Oh, this is too much, I guess. I wanna put it as 20, I guess, and no, this, and let's say 10. And next will be 5. That's it. Oh no, let's keep it like 10. That's fine. Last step, it will be the shell. This one. Okay, choose this. Make sure it will be hollow. This part will be hollow. Okay. I think we got some issue in here. Let's say 3 or 5. 5. And back to shell here. Doesn't work. This is to remove. Let's try this first. So it's 0.5 thickness, it works, but that's not what we need. We need at least 5 for this one. So the issue is here, okay? So where is this part? This part will be here until here, and let's put this somewhere here, okay? Now our issue, we find some issue in here. Let's change it into 2 to see, and let's remove it, and let's try this. No, let's try this, this, and this. Let's increase it into 5. Okay. This is what we need, okay? So to create a drawing, a technical drawing, we can go here and create drawing. This is the template I've used before, so it's appear here, but you can create a custom template for your drawing. For example, you can create some ISO And basically, if you choose the ISO, your view is the first angle views. You can check in Google what's the difference between the third and the first angle, okay? And if you use NC, you mostly do some third angle projection. I will use a millimeter in here, and horizontal, I think I will go for 6 and 4 maybe. Title block, I will not add some title block border. Yeah, okay, I guess no views. Let's hit OK and let's see. The zoning that I set is something like this, okay, and this already appearing here. And in this one, it separated my bodies. And what if I need it as, what I mean is that I wanna put the drawing of both of it in one block. So just choose this all the part studio, but in here you'll just choose the part, okay, and you can see, add a surface sketch. So we don't need that, but I'll just use this, and you'll just drag and place your design here, okay. This is our first reference design. Remember that we use the NC template, so this will be the third angle projection, okay. I will put this ISO in here, okay, the isometric view, but don't worry, let's just put this somewhere here, okay. And what if I want to change the view of it? I want to show the shaded view so that I can see the color that I set, the appearance that I set in my part studio. So basically the isometric view, in the isometric view, you'll put it as your shaded view. I want to increase a bit the size of it. I will change the scale. What did I do is just double click on it and I will change the scale. So I will not follow the scale of a parent. The parent will be this one, but I want to change it. Let's say 1/4, okay, 1/4, something like this. It's not too big. See, I want to change also the scale of this. I want to try 1/6. That would be fine. We've just used the third angle for the projection. If I go here, I will see the top. That's what the difference between the third and first angle. The top will be on the top, the bottom will be on the bottom, okay. And I think I wanna change this. I wanna put this somewhere here, okay. I think I wanna reduce this a bit. It's too big. So let's say 5. Something like this, okay. And what makes your drawing also much interesting is by adding some section view. This is the section view. Let's add some section view, a vertical one. That's all. That's what we need. Here we go. This is the section view. You'll see the 40. Okay, so I edit a bit my design. So after editing it, you need to update it. Click in this icon so that your design will be updated. Let's just create some LDD, limited dimension drawing. In fact, we'll just show the basic dimension of our part. In here, let's just add this dimension, add this dimension. We need also the height. It's easy. It's very easy, okay? What we need in the section view, of course, is the thickness, 2.5. I will change that later. What else? There are many things. You can add all the dimension that you need in here. For this one, I think I will add its dimension in here. It's an R. Something, if you need the diameter instead of radius in here, so just double click in here, okay? Sorry, not double click, right click in here, edit it. It's the same, and change it, okay? So double click or edit, it's the same, and switch between the diameter and the radius. That's all. And I think basically the drawing, creating drawing in Onshape is like this. It's very straightforward. You just need to drag and place your first model as a reference, then project everything depending on the standard that you choose, third or first angle, and you just put the dimension that you need, and that's all. I think that's all for these videos for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.